In this short video, I want to show you how to use this map network drive. What is this actually, a map network drive? Suppose somebody is sharing something, a file or video content or any movies in your network or through your Wi-Fi. So everything will be listed here. Network, this is a computer, and from this computer the person is sharing this sample video. Now each and every time I have to click here and then go there, and then I assume in real life there will be a lot of folders out here, and you have to put the credentials each and every time if you want to open the screen. Since I've already entered the credentials, so it is quite difficult for every time have to go through this and then enter the credentials. So it's better to use a map drive. For that, select a map drive, browse through the folder in your network that has been shared, sample videos, select, click OK, and then use this, reconnect at logon. This, if you check this one, you don't have to put the credentials each and every time you access this folder or file. Now click finish. While live, and here we are, we have it. You don't have to go to credentials, just simply click here and it's done. And what if you want to go back to your original settings? Select this and then just simply disconnect. So this map network drive is very helpful, not only in our home scenario, because everybody is using, even in enterprise, even all enterprise, to share the documents and the files and the important files.